breathing of the pines, cliffs leaning over secret slow current, long lines, clouds trace the ridgeline, wind paints the drifting foam. Between worlds, far from the pole of home. Columbia drift, let me go, let me lift over stone, over shift, over every quiet rift. Columbia drift, I dissolve in the lift, leave my pathways the birds have known, shadows of ancient cedars carved into green and stone. I'm hanging in the silence, time folding in the blue. Valleys become oceans, I'm falling away from you. Columbia drift, let me go, let me lift over stone, over shift, over every quiet rift. Columbia drift, I dissolve in the lift, leave my name in the mist. Only river, only gift. One slow turn and the ground lets go. Breath in tune with the undertow. I am light, I am only view, endless gorge, drifting through. Columbia Green on green, the river slow, breathing in the quiet glow. Stone whales, soft rain, moss climbing every name, wind tracing every curve. You rise, you swerve. Pale sky, your reflection drifting by. Far towns, faint lines falling off the edge of time. Crown point, where the world falls away, where the blue turns to gray, and you flow, you flow. Silver little stars, fog goes slow, dance over water, giving chance. Your breath, one thread, pulled between the cliffs ahead. No sound, just air and a feeling hanging there. Crown point, where the world falls away, where the blue turns to gray, and you flow, crown point, in the hush of the height. You are held by the light as you flow, you flow. Stay here, you could stay here. Eyes open, heart clear, nothing to prove, only to move. Crown point, where the world falls away, where the blue turns to gray, and you flow, crown point, in the hush of the height. You are held by the light as you flow, you flow. Slow turn over water, over stone. Green lines curl along the old road home. Glass crown on the shoulder of the hill. You breathe, and the whole world every heartbeat in the sky. Vista House, the world is moving slowly. Clouds drift through the windows of my mind, weightless as the swallows in the crosswind. I dissolve into your quiet shine. Soft haze on the edges of the pines. Far trains drawing silver in the time. Wind speaks through the guardrails and the grass. You rise like a memory made of glass. Vista House, I'm hovering above you. River like a ribbon made of light, golden on the edges of the daydream, holding every heartbeat in the sky. Vista House, the world is moving slowly. Clouds drift through the windows of my mind, weightless as the swallows in the crosswind. I dissolve into your quiet shine. No rush here, just breathing air, just painted hills and a distant prayer. I close my eyes, you pull me in the day. Let's go of everything. Vista House, I'm hovering above you. River like a ribbon made of light, golden on the edges of the sky, holding every heartbeat as it flies. Vista House, the horizon feels so open. Sun slips through the arches one last time, weightless in the whisper of the canyon. I fall into